we've done the straight line graph, we've done how to sketch the straight line graph. This is the process, how to find the equation. That was the process. What did I say? I said we start off with y is equal to mx plus c. We know y, because it's a straight line, y equals mx plus c. Your c value is your y-intercept, that's 10. And to get your m value, you change the sign of y. So here we go, we change the sign of y, divided by keep the sign of x. So there we go, plus 10 becomes minus 10. Plus 5 remains plus 5. And that will give you your m value. There we go, negative 10 over 5, negative 2. Now quickly, before we go on to the parabola, and that's it for the straight line graph. So let's do another 2 or 3 examples of finding the equation of a straight line, just to get you practicing with this so that you know. Take any example. Here we go, we take a graph this way, we take it going that way. I tell you that is 20. Let's make that 4, and let's make that negative 20. I call this graph h, right? Give me the equation of h. So here we go, we're going to use the same process. So we're going to say h of x is equal to mx plus c. What's your c value? 4, plus 4. What did I say? How do I get my m value? Change the sign of y over keep the sign of x. So plus 4 will become negative 4 over minus 20 will remain minus 20. Now negative 4 over negative 20, negative divided by negative is a positive. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 25 times. Your answer is 1 over 5x plus 4. Now I know there are many different other ways in which you guys do it in school. Sometimes you make this 0 and 4, minus 20 and 0, then your teachers tell you do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, then put it into the big formula. Boys and girls, that's a big calculation that's going to take you half a page. This one here, with this method of determining the equation for 2 marks, only 2 marks, you can just look at the graph and be able to state the equation of the function. Let's do another one. Let's do one more. What if the graph went in that direction? And I tell you that's minus 8 and that's minus 4. Okay, and I tell you this is graph f. Give me the equation of f. So f of x is equal to mx plus c. What's your c value? Negative 8. What's your m value? Change the sign of y, keep the sign of x. So it's going to be plus 8 over minus 4. Plus 8 over minus 4, minus 2x minus 8. And there we go. Problem solved. You've got the equation of the straight line. Let's now go on to the parabola. Now guys, this is very, 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 very important. The parabola is one of the most crucial graphs. In fact, every function here, grade 12s, you're going to be using the parabola in calculus 2. Remember, now I'm now specifically talking to grade 12. When we get to calculus, you'll see when we talk about it in the next episodes. The derivative. Remember derivative. Now I'm talking completely solely to grade 12s. Grade 11s you can switch off right now. Right, grade 12s. You know that the derivative of a cubic function is a parabola. The derivative is a square. Because if the original is a cube, the derivative will be 1 power less, which is a square. And the square is a parabola. So if you do not know how to sketch or determine equations of parabolas, you won't be able to sketch or determine equations of derivatives, should the derivative be given to you in graph form or in graphical form in your exam.